Another day and another video about muscle glycogen. Hello folks, Scientific Health with a K here. We know that carbohydrates and fats are the main sources for any exercise. But when the exercise intensity increases, the body shifts to using more carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are stored in our bodies in two forms, in the liver and in the muscle as glycogen. Since we cannot store a lot of glycogen in our muscles, would that be a problem for us if we have a prolonged and high intensity exercise? And will that affect our strength during training? Luckily, we have the answer in the following study. This beautiful study investigated muscle glycogen stores before and after a resistance training exercise. The subjects of the study performed 8 sets of 10 reps at 75% of one repetition maximum on the leg press, and then they did the same thing on the leg extension. And they found out that this training session only reduced muscle glycogen by 33%. As we saw in this study, we have 16 sets, and that's actually considered high volume. That's why we can safely conclude muscle glycogen will not be a limiting factor for doing a high volume resistance exercise training. We are resting. And definitely we are resting after each set in order to prolong our exercise session. You know that we care about intensity and high volume. If you can achieve one of them, that would be great. But please do not get injured. As we saw in the previous study, you can definitely restore your glycogen muscle stores in one day. So there is no need to think about this at all. What you need to do is to get your meals, have an intense workout, check out the other videos about glycogen, and learn more.